Hey students, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS 2026 set 1 GA question number 7. In panel 1 of the figure below, this is panel 1, the front view and top view of a structure are shown. This is front view and this is the top view. Which one of the 3D structures shown in panel 2 processes the views shown in panel 1? And 4 options are given. Now we'll check each options. Now 1, if you see in the top view, this is not matching, right? Due to this part, this is not correct. Next, option B, the second image. So here there is a extra block. Due to this, it is not matching. So option B is also false. Next option C, third image. In third image, the lower part is correct, but here is a cut. Due to this, it is not matching. Next, option D, the fourth image. If you see, there is a cut that matches this one and this one. So front view, top view, both are matching. Hence, this is correct. If you see according to front view, there is a block here and there is a cut. And if you see top view, then this one is here little down. Then this part is here and this is here. So all are present. Hence, option D is answer. Fourth 3D image is matching the front view and top view. In set 2 also similar type of question asked. I already solved that. Just go through general aptitude PYQ playlist. You will get lots of solved general aptitude question. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.